So tonight, it's our first of 8 Friday night fireworks. Hang around because after the game, we've got fireworks for you sponsored by our great friends at PT Northwest. We welcome each of you back to the stadium for another year of exciting Volcanoes baseball. Our 2014 season features several new outstanding. First of all, representing tonight's sponsor and longtime great marketing partner of the Volcanoes, PT Northwest. He's been a fantastic and dedicated team member of PT Northwest for 16 years. He's an athletic trainer at Staten High School and a rehab aide at PT Northwest. Everybody welcome Corey Yates. Next up, he and his wife moved to Kaiser in the late 1970s because of Kaiser's strong youth sports organization. He served in Kaiser Little League organization as an umpire, board member, and president. He served on the Kaiser Volunteer Coordinating Committee and Emergency Planning Committee. He was chairman of the board of the Catholic Community Services Foundation, president of Kaiser Rotary, president of the Kaiser Chamber of Commerce, and much more. For this, he was recently named First Citizen of Kaiser. Would you please thank and welcome John Donnet as he throws out the official ceremonial pitch to open our 2014 season. Just a bit outside, John. And Sons. Nice arms, guys.